Hey guys, this is my Aldi grocery haul for the week. I only spent a total of $24.46 for the week, which is not bad at all. This week I'm going to make chicken with veggies and couscous. My coworker has been having couscous all week and it smells so good, so I thought I would give it a try, and it's actually pretty high in protein, which I'm excited about. So we're going to give it a try. It's higher points than I expected. I think it's like 6 points for a quarter cup dry. So we'll give it a shot. So I got some frozen chicken breasts, some strawberries and yogurt. Last week I cut up the strawberries and put it in yogurt. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It felt like dessert. It was delicious. So I got 2 containers of yogurt for that. Some California medley steamed vegetables, couscous. I got the Parmesan and the roasted garlic and olive oil flavor. Some teriyaki sauce for the chicken. The Parmesan cheese was on sale, so I stocked up and got one of those. And then I am almost out of coffee filters, so I got one of those. And then last week you saw that I bought whole wheat tortillas for some whole wheat tortilla chips for the salsa, and they were so good. So I'm going to make some more. I don't like how salty normal tortilla chips are, like the scoops, so that's why I like making my own, so I don't have to put any extra salt on, or I can just put a very little amount. So $24 for the week for groceries. Let me know what you guys are eating this week and if you found any really good deals, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.